Hello families, this is a quick video about spiral review. So it is something that we do every night or every day. There are 3 problems every day, 3 math problems, and they all cover a different skill. So for the entire week, this week, we're working on multiplication and writing an equation that matches a model. And for number 2, all this week, we're working on labeling clocks and figuring out what time it is. And for number 3, this whole week, we're working on adding and checking our work using the inverse, so subtracting also. So all this week, every day, we're going to have problems like this for number 1, number 2, and number 3. And what we do is students come up and share their answers for their work. So I might call up a student and have them do number 1. Then I call up a different student, they do number 2, and so on. So every day we'll go through and we will color how we did. Green means correct, red means incorrect. Sometimes they can get halfway too. So today we colored in how we did on Monday, and they also got their quiz back that they took on Friday. So every day they can get help on spiral review from Monday through Thursday, but on Friday it's on their own. They cannot get help from anyone or anything. So that will really show you how they're doing. So I would look at their Friday quiz to see how well they're doing. Sometimes students are not always the most honest when it comes to Monday through Thursday. They might use green when they're supposed to use red. I try to catch it, but I don't every time. And then they'll write down how many that they got correct total for the whole week. So 11.5 out of 15. They will get a signature as long as it's an 18-year-old or older, and then write a goal. So I do appreciate when students say that they will improve by listening, but I really am looking for a math goal here. So I would like something like, well, if they can keep getting number 3 wrong over and over, they probably need to work on adding by lining up digits vertically, or checking their work with the inverse. So they're going to write a math goal that has to do with that. So they might write something like, a goal something like this. Practicing lining up digits vertically, I will add starting in the ones place. Whatever goal makes sense for them. Even if they got all greens, there's always some way to kind of push their work and make it even better than it already is, or to challenge themselves. So you'll see this is what it will look like every week. So they will bring this back on Monday nights. They'll bring it back Tuesday. Okay, so the only time you should see this folder is on Mondays, unless we don't have school on Mondays. So you'll see this every Monday. Please review their work. So all their work should be in here. Please review it and then sign it. And they'll bring it back the next day. This way you can see how your child is doing in math and also what they're learning in math. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will try to help you out as best I can. Okay, thank you. Have a great rest of your day.